fact, we have more breaking news that's coming in. Telangana Chief Minister's first response to Allu Arjun's arrest. He says that law will take its course in Allu Arjun's case. And this is a reaction coming in from Revanth Reddy, the Telangana Chief Minister, and his police have arrested Allu Arjun today from his residence early in the morning. And these are the reactions that we are tracking at the moment. Let me give you a summary of what has happened through the day. Today, Allu Arjun was arrested around noon from his residence. He was then taken to the Chikkadpalli police station, from where he was then further taken for a medical examination at the Gandhi hospital, after which Allu Arjun was then taken to the Namapalli court. And Allu Arjun's team, in between all of this, had moved the Telangana High Court for an urgent hearing of his plea, seeking to quash the FIR filed against him. And the court has now granted him time at around 4 p.m. today. In just 30 minutes from now, Allu Arjun's case will be heard by the Telangana High Court. And whether or not the FIR against him will be quashed remains to be seen, because all eyes will be on the court's verdict, because Allu Arjun had previously as well moved the Telangana High Court on with a similar petition. In fact, a day after an FIR was filed against him by the TCP Central Division of Hyderabad. And now it seems like Telangana High Court has finally allotted him time after his arrest to hear the matter. And after all this, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has now issued a first response saying that law will take its course in Allu Arjun's case, being very, very diplomatic in his response. He says that everything will be considered under the purview of law, and law will take its own course in the actor's case. But even before the Chief Minister's reaction, we had accessed a viral letter that's currently circulating on social media. And this letter dated 2/12/2024, that is 2nd December 2024, 2 days before the stampede happened on the 4th of December, which resulted in the death of a woman and left her son also grievously injured. That letter has been addressed to Assistant Commissioner of Police, Chikkadpalli Police Station, RTC X Roads in Hyderabad. And the subject of the letter says, request for arrangement of bandobast on 4/12/2024 and 5th of December at Sandhya 70mm Theatre, releasing Pushpa 2. In that letter, they've said, we request you to arrange to provide police bandobast at Sandhya 70mm RTC X Roads Theatre, Hyderabad, in connection with the release of Pushpa 2 on 4th of December, because there will be heavy fans crowd. The hero, heroine and VIPs and the production unit of the film are coming to see the movie. We are screening picture of Pushpa 2 star cast, Allu Arjun, Rashmika Mandana and other stars on the 4th of December at 9:30 p.m. and on 5th of December at 1:50 a.m., 5:50 a.m., 9:50 a.m. and 1:50 p.m. So 4 shows on the 5th of December and 1 premiere show on the previous day on the 4th of December was mentioned in this purported letter that we have accessed. And despite this letter, it seems like the police haven't really paid any heed. If this letter is confirmed, then it's a big embarrassment for Revanth Reddy's police for making an arrest on fabricated charges. Let's now listen in to the ACP there, who has confirmed the arrest of Allu Arjun.
Paka. Yes, he was arrested. Cooperate cheyandi.
Sir, is he arrested, sir?
Paka.
Is he arrested?
Yes, he was arrested.
Well, viewers, in view of Allu Arjun's arrest, social media is also trending with hashtag Allu Arjun arrest and also Revanth Reddy, because there are several accusations being made on social media on Revanth Reddy's role, saying that he has been arrested on false charges. There was no connection between Allu Arjun and the stampede on the 4th of December. Fans have taken to social media to express their outrage against the crackdown on the actor, Pushpa 2 fame actor Allu Arjun. So a lot of activity being witnessed on social media as well. Allu Arjun arrest is trending on social media with the latest tumbling in. Fans have also expressed their outrage against the Revanth Reddy police force, saying that this arrest was really uncalled for, and the way his arrest was done was really unfathomable by the fans. And we also have some reactions coming in. Let's listen in. This is the victim's husband who spoke to Republic a day after that tragedy was witnessed outside Sandhya Theatre.
बादशाह जी बताइए क्या हुआ वहाँ उस दिन जब अल्लू अर्जुन संध्या थिएटर आए थे?
9:30 शो का बुक करे थे तो 9:30 को वही हेवी क्राउड था, तो हमारा मिसेस आगे चले गया, मैं थोड़ा पीछे था। जब भी अल्लू अर्जुन आया तो पुशिंग में थोड़ा उन्होंने आगे चले गए। उसके बाद में मैं कॉल करा तो मैं अंदर, वो बोली थी अंदर है ना, अब अल्लू जाएंगे बोल के 10-15 मिनट्स के बाद मैं मेरा बच्ची को लेके गया था अंदर। उसके बाद कॉल करे तो लिफ्ट नहीं हुआ, फिर आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स कॉल करे तो स्विच ऑफ आया। फिर उसके बाद मैं बच्ची को लेके अंदर गया, जो सीट नंबर है वो सीट पे आके देखे तो उन्होंने नहीं थे, तो बच्ची रो रही थी, डैडी